Good evening, comrades. Good evening, South Africa. Good evening, freedom-loving people of South Africa, revolutionaries. We are back again. We are calling for a national General Council of the African National Congress. We are concerned, cadres of Umkhonto weSizwe and revolutionaries of the African National Congress. Kule weekend edlulile sizwe uCyril nabochomi bakhe babhizi benza ama-public calls ukuthi uJulius Malema we-EFF kumele azorejoyina i-ANC. Ayisimangazile leyo nto ngoba kudala sisho. Well, into interesting ngoCyril ukuthi from the beginning nje, from the onset make fika ku-ANC, lo baba lona bekanama-activities are strange. Well, for the benefit yabantu abangazi mhlawumbe abangakaze basizwe sikhuluma ngalento esithatha kule ncwadi i-ANC engafuni ukukhuluma ngayo. Le ncwadi lana ibhalwe uGayton Mackenzie. I-title yayo ithi Kill Zuma by Any Means. Comrades, information elana kule ncwadi lena is very explosive. Sikhuluma ne-leadership ye-ANC sibhaleli letter ngoJanuary sicela ukuthi mayiphendule to ama-allegations ale ncwadi. Khona manje uMarch bathulile bathi tu akekho ofuna ukukhuluma ngale ncwadi simply because i-loaded nge-information 100% accurate. Enye into engithandayo ngale ncwadi lena uGayton Mackenzie uthe if you believe ngumentionile kule ncwadi and I'm lying asihlangane court. Kuze kube manje akekho umuntu osuGayton Mackenzie court, akekho umuntu omphendulayo, akekho umuntu ocommentayo. So this book to us is like the Bible of the truth about izinto ezenzeka ku-ANC. Well, bengisakhuluma ukuthi for i-benefit yabantu abangazi, uCyril ujoyine i-ANC ngo-1991. In the same year wa-attenda i-conference ye-ANC at Durban. Make attenda le conference uCyril, what is interesting, he was a non-voting delegate. Isho ukuthini lonto le? Isho ukuthi he does not have the right to vote. Number 2, he cannot be voted for. But kulibe kunjalo siyamangala ukuthi uCyril uye kuleya conference waphuma ayi-Secretary General ye-ANC. How can umuntu ajoine i-ANC ngo-1991 a-attend i-conference engamelanga vote kuyo aphume sekayi-Secretary General? Ubaba Harry Gwala waze washona ayilwisa lento le. Akekho umuntu oke wamphendula. And nobody angazositshela ukuthi uCyril bekuyi-underground activist ye-ANC or kuma-structures ze-alliance. He was not there. uCyril kahle kahle uparachutiwe ku-organization, i-paratrooper, infiltrator lo baba. Ufakwe ku-ANC uzosderaila from ama-objective e-revolution uCyril. Ayikho enye reason. All along, uliba yi-darling yabo Menel, abo Rupert, abo Oppenheim. Ekuyibo abantu abamkhulisile uCyril. Bamfanda, bambhadalela esikolweni, waze wayograduate e-university. Ebhadalelwa abo Rupert. Noma zoqala ukusebenza, the first people who gave him a job abo Rupert. Nakhona bamthuma ukuthi ayo infiltrate ama-trade union. I-history kaCyril iqala lapho kuma-union. Akusi genuine. He never worked in a mine. He never worked for miners. He just came and became a leader. Njengoba na ku-ANC makafika afike waba yi-leader sisuka phansi. Bamthanda belungu lo baba. Well, siya kaCyril. Thina-ke esaba ne-opportunity yokuhlangana no-President Oliver Tambo. Sikhumbula kahle ukuthi u-Oliver Tambo wasitshela kahle without doubt ukuthi wonke ama-attacks awaged yi-enemy, whether local or international, trying to destroy the ANC will never work. And as he proved lonto over a period of many decades, everything yenziwe to destroy ANC azange succeed. But what ubaba uTambo githi, i-ANC can only be destroyed by people within the ANC. Yabona the minute enemy ngena ngaphakathi phakama ku-ANC, those are the people abangayi-destroya i-ANC. But akashongo njalo kuphela ubaba uTambo. Uye wathi, yi-duty yethu ama-revolutionary soldier womkhonto wesizwe to defend i-ANC, to defend i-revolution. Lento siyenzayo nisibona sikhuluma sibangumsindo everyday kanje. Sifulfilla i-mandate ne-duty esayiphiwa ubaba u-Oliver Tambo. What it is up to us to defend the ANC, to defend the revolution. Senza lokho njengoba senza kanje. Ngoba yithi amasoja womkhonto wesizwe, the last line ye defense. Yithi abame phakathi kwama oppressors wabantu base South Africa ne freedom yabo. There is no way our oppressors can continue to oppress our people. Sikhona thina singamasoja womkhonto wesizwe. Angeke sivume lonto. Maqabane. Njengoba sesike sasho ngaphambili. I-revolution in South Africa is under siege, is under attack. I-enemy bafowethu ayisekho ngaphandle, ayisekho egeyidini, ayisekho emnyango. I-enemy kulamalanga is right within the ANC. Isendlini enemy. Abelungu abagqoke isikhumbe simnyama. They are taking our country back to oppression. I-oppression yethu abantu abamnyama. I-enemy namhlanje igqoka amakhalazo e-ANC. Ingena ngaphakathi ku-ANC, yakhuphuka i-enemy yazi yafika kuma-position we-leadership. Manje ke njengebhube eselibhongayo elidla namachwane walo. I-busy enemy within our ranks. Iyayigovuza i-ANC. Iyayiqeda left and right. And I attack only ANC. I attack all the revolutionary forces in the country. I-white monopoly capital bafethu yenzeni. Ilethe i-war arsenal. Ilethe izikhali zayo eziphelele. Yathenga ngisho namanye wama-leader wethu ajump iskebhe manje sewa-captain wawu-Cyril. Bazikhohliwe labantu ukuthi bavelaphi. Ama-normal processes e-democratic centralism ye-ANC are being undermined u-Cyril. Masiya ku-conference eNasrec, sibone for the first time umhlolo esingakaze siwubone. Ama-court sewadicayidela i-ANC ukuthi ubani ozovota ku-conference ubani ongeka vote. Umhlolo obizwani lo. Ama-comrade amaningi abesupport i-RET, asupport i-NTZ, they were prohibited by the courts from voting. Ayikho fair lonto le. Abo-comrade basebenze for such a long time. After 5 years makufanele bavote, kuvele i-judge esingayazi ukuthi ubani. Ithi no laba baqualify ukuvote. Nathi sithule. That is not acceptable. On top of that, as if lento abayenze ngama-court was not enough, yokwenzeka umhlolo ku-conference ngokwayo. Abantu be-elections, the company ebeyi-responsible for ukubala ama-vote, baye ba-announce ukuthi wonke ama-delegate ekufanele avote, avotile. Baze basitshela nokuthi khona abantu aba-abstainile abangavote. Basitshela a complete round figure. Ba-announce ukuthi uthuma mina uyowinile. Wawini uthuma mina. Samangala ukuthi wine kanjani. Okay, sathi no akunalutho. But shortly after that kwavela umhlolo wendaba ukuthi kunama-vote ayi-63 angabalwanga. Now leyo question ngeke sipretend ngathi into engayenzakalanga le. Yenzakele. So ngamanye amagama siyadeclare thina ukuthi uCyril akawinanga ngendlela illegitimate eNasrec. Simply because kunama-vote angabalwanga meanwhile ukuthi ama-vote aphelele. Lo baba lona unama-issues. Since afika yena ku-ANC ziningi izinto ezenzekayo esingazazi ukuthi ziqhamukaphi. Akayiwinanga fair i-vote yaseNasrec uCyril ngoDisemba 2017. Wonke umuntu honest uyayazi lonto le. It's not fair. Ukukhuphuka kwaCyril ngendlela engacacanga yiyo ireason eyenza ukuthi i-current leadership ye-ANC right now ayisenandaba nama-membership, ayisenandaba nokuthi ama-member we-ANC yacabangani. Into abaphambili ngayo ukuthi lama-houses wabo lababiza ama-grading houses like abo-Moody's nabo-Fitch yibe kufanele ukuthathwe i-opinion yabo ukuthi abantu base-South Africa ama-member we-ANC yacabangani abanamsebenzi nako lo. Ama-leaders we-ANC ahamba noCyril. In fact, angeke babize nangama-leaders. Those people abaku-leadership ye-ANC masquerading as ANC leaders sebathatha ama-instruction wabo manje from SNT nase-Stellenbosch nase-London nase-New York ba-undermine ama-resolution we-ANC emini wonke umuntu abhekile abasanamahloni abasasaba abasazifihla labantu kumele ba-understand ukuthi if bathanda belunga aba-rich ngale ndlela abahambe nabo babajoyine basiyeke thina siqhube i-revolution angesiloko sincangana nabelungu la abelungu kudala basicindezela sekuyisikhathi sokuthi manje sibe free so if bona bafila ukuthi no bathanda belungu whether nabantu babo it's a simple thing abahambe nabo khona manje beza kithi hey comrades ama-election ka-2019 aseduze hambani niyo campaign so campaigner why banga-campaigni ama-grading houses nama-investor we're not fooled, we're not stupid, you know. Laba ama-servant we-white monopoly capital asewayi-hijackile le revolution angene ngaphakathi endlini kumele sibakhiphe. Ngikhumbula mina not long ago a very young Julius Malema ne-ANC Youth League baye baqala ba-expose manje ama-policies are-revolutionary. Who was the first person to be offended? UCyril. Wagcina enzeni uCyril? Wamxosha uMalema ku-ANC. UCyril uyo expele uMalema ku-ANC. Wenze the same thing futhi uMsholozi makeqala akhuluma manje nge-free education, akhuluma nge-new mining charter, akhuluma ngekuthatha iSouth Africa ikhiphe under ama-imperialist wase-West ayise ku-BRICS. Uthuma mina wamkhipha noZuma. Uye the main person obhizi agijimisana noZuma from the time he arrived in the ANC up to this day. Namhlanje ukuthi aze-expose uCyril aloka politically bankrupt kanje. Akanayo ne-plan ukuthi i-ANC uzoyilida ayisephi, akana-plan ukuthi i-country uzoyilida ayisephi. That is why ubhizi manje ubizana noJulius ukuthi azomsiza. Awungitshela i-embarrassment engaka. Angeke ngiprescribe to Julius Malema ukuthi ayenzeni. That decision is his. Mara nje into engishoyo ukuthi iyam-expose uCyril lento ukuthi akazi ukuthi fanele enzeni. That's why even when he was elected in National Assembly as the president in the absence of the EFF, uye wathi no yena akazi ukuthi fanele enzeni, uzobiza ama-commission. Right up to December kuzolokwe kunama-commission simply because the man at the top akana plan, akana idea ukuthi enzeni. Into afuna ukuyenza ukukhansela wonke ama-policies we-ANC nama-decision e-conference abize labelungu laba be-white monopoly capital beze ku-round table bazodiscuss i-freedom nabantu ababa-oppressor ababa-exploiter. Imagine the oppressor coming on the table azotshela the oppressed what is the best way to be free. Is the same hlolo wenzeke eCodesa lo bekubani futhi chief negotiator the same Thuma mina uCyril njalo yena makethunyiwe uza nezinto ezishiya abantu abamnyama bekhala. Sasala thina sine short end of the stick eCodesa kuthiwa this is the best constitution, this is the best freedom, but freedom thina siyiboni. In fact siyasafara abantu abamnyama eSouth Africa under Cyril Ramaphosa number 1. I-ANC ayikwazanga ukuchampiona i-cause ye-expropriation of land without compensation ku-National Assembly. Lonto leyo yaziyenzwa uJulius Malema ne-EFF. And the interesting thing ukuthi i-result yaloko ukuthi i-waterwa down manje lento. Umhlaba ophethwe amakhosi wabantu abamnyama nama-chief neinduna yiwo ekuthiwa uzo-expropriatwa. Lo mhlaba ophethwe ama-mining houses, ophethwe ama-bank namabhunu abalimi uyayekwa lo mhlaba kuzothilwa ngomhlaba ophethwe abantu abamnyama. What a shame, Cyril. Emotion yokunationalize i-Reserve Bank iye ya-withdrawa ama-leaders we-ANC ye-parliament, and I'm certain nge-instruction ka-Cyril noNhlanhla Nene. Umhlolo bani lo? UPresident Zuma warekhodwa without any consultation. There was no discussion ngokurekhodwa kwaMsholozi ku-conference. But a few individuals behlangene ehotela ebusuku but decide ukuthi uMsholozi must be forced to step down. Akuna mandate yama-branches, akuna nix. Even namhlanje ANC has never given its members, leadership has never given members a reason. They have never given the country a reason. The only thing about Chabele ukuthi ucampaignela ANC for 2019 after being abused kangaka bana mahloni. Khona manje under leadership kaCyril ibank yabantu abamnyama ebizwa ukuthi VPS ivaliwe under curatorship instead of by assist. Amabhunu they are so clever ukuthi bakwazi ukubona amabhank wabo abo Absa bewa babanika abo 30 billion namhlanje abo Absa ama giant abantu abamnyama namhlanje under Cyril but destroy the little bank that black people have bana mahloni into point bafethu ukuthi Cyril Ramaphosa akasi interested ukupursue a radical economic transformation. Uthatha ama instruction wakhe from abelungu not from ANC. It's clear there. The result is about time, comrades, ukuthi ANC ibambe i-National General Council i-address lama issues i-recall lama leaders angaphesiwe amapolisi we-ANC a-adopte ku-last conference. Sekufike isikhathi manje ukuthi ANC ibambe le National General Council, and the National General Council must call for fresh national elections within the ANC. Ama branch wonke kumele avote without involvement yama court. Kube yama processes we ANC. Every ANC branch kumele ivote ibe nelungelo. And abantu kumele bastande as ama candidate. Kumele kube abantu who are tried and tested in the struggle. Abantu abanama credentials are unquestionable. Anje ngalento esibona manje. Qamuka umuntu uready made uzoba lead. Asimazi ukuthi uvelaphi. Uyayibona lonto ma comrade. Angeke isebenze lonto le. Uready made uprepare ubani. Thina sifuna abantu esibaziyo abaprepare umzabalazo. Baqine emzabalazweni. Baziprove abatestwa labantu. And on top of it all, labo bantu labo they must be screened. They must be thoroughly screened. They must pass through the eye of the needle. That is what it means. And lapha conference asifuni ma elections nama expert to calculator nama computer. Sifuna i-election ezoba simple. Umuntu aphakamise isandla athi ngivotela ubani. Sibale lento yokubala ukuvalwa iminyango ayisebenzi. Maqabani sekuyisikhathi manje sokuthi sifasa ama boots. Siphakame with one voice. Silwe ne-imperialism. Sixoshe labantu abangafuneki ku-ANC. Forward to the National General Council.
Forward.
Forward to true liberation.
Forward.
Forward to total freedom.
Forward. Mandla.
Awuthi sibone ke ukuthi